guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm so excited to be teaching today. So let's just get into it. So let's get your papers and all your equipments ready, because I'm ready to work. So today I'm going to be teaching analytic sequences. So this is what I'll be teaching today. Our topic for today is analytic sequences. So one thing that we have to know about analytic sequences, this thing is not the same from analytic, the one we did at first. It's not different. It's the same thing. The calculations are the same. It's just the same thing. So now this one is this one is the sum, So let's get into the question. The question says calculate the sum of the analytic series. So it's still the same thing that we're doing that day. I hope you guys remember it, because it's still the same thing. So we said that day, we said what? We said T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. So that's what we'll do here. You see, here we see they are adding them. So let me just do this. Let me do it like this here. So if you say 7 minus 3 will give you 4. And if you say 11 minus 7 will give you 4. So our constant distance here is 4. So now, since this is an analytic series, so this one also has its own formula. This one has two formulas. It has this formula that is like this, which is this one equals n over 2 bracket a plus l. This is the formula. The first formula is this, and then the second formula for this is this one. It's this one where we say 2. We say n over 2. It's n over 2 bracket 2a plus bracket minus 1 bracket d. Then you can put a bracket like this. So this is the second formula. This is the one I like to use because I find this one easy. The one on top is difficult but I'll first use this one, because it's hard for me to find somebody using the first one. I find most people always use the second one. So I'm going to get into the question. So this is the formula that we're going to use. For the sum, because they say calculate the sum of the analytic series 3, 7, 11. Then they say to 30 terms. So this is the one we're going to do. So since we already find everything, which I already did here, so we're just gonna be putting numbers now. So we're gonna use the second one. Like I said, I like the second one. So let's get into the question. So I'm gonna say, by the place of n, I'm going to put 30 over 2. Then I open bracket and I say 2. Our first letter for A is 3. So since our first letter for A is 3, we put 3. We open bracket, we put 3 here. Then you say plus. Then you open bracket again. Then you say n minus 1 bracket. Our distance, this one is the different. The constant's different. The constant different is 4. So here you'll put 4. Don't just put 4 alone, because here is 30. So here is 30. Because by the place of n, if they already give you the term, like the way they give us, which they say is 30, so you always put the number by the end if they already give it to you, like they already give it to us. So here is 30 minus 1, which is 29. So here, if you wanna put this in a calculator, if you press it like this, it will give you a problem. So you must always put a times. Put a times here, times 4. Put a times, then put bracket, then punch it in a calculator. Once you do it like this, then you punch it in a calculator, it's going to give you an answer of 18330. That's the answer that I got in my calculator. So this was not quite hard, but I'm still going to continue teaching on this topic. But this is how you do for the sum. So let's get to the other question.